Hello guys, this is a quick video on how to recover your Instagram account without password or without email. So you're gonna make a new email and then you're gonna type in a mail to this email address. And then you're gonna say account recovery. And here you're gonna say something like, "Dear support, I don't have a password and I don't have my email. Can you please do something for me?" And you're gonna get a reply in 48 hours with all the things you need to do. You will maybe need to do the ID photo and send them or something like that, but you can make a recovery without everything. So yeah, subscribe for more useful tips.